DJI has a new version of the Mavic Pro on the way, and thanks to an incorrectly published ad, the company has confirmed some of the features and characteristics of the drone before its official release. The big change with the new Mavic 2 Pro is that users can exchange lenses on the drone with the 2x optical zoom version, a setup that DJI is calling Mavic 2 Zoom that can shoot up to 28mm and as close as 48mm. Lens switching is a feature that the company has normally reserved for its more expensive professional drones, although it is rumored that it will come to its smaller drones like the Mavic for a while. The camera system in general is receiving an update too, with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a big bump on the 1/2.3-inch sensor in the original Mavic Pro. The announcement also mentions that it is a Hasselblad camera, which means that the emblematic Swedish photography company probably participated in the development of the camera's architecture. DJI acquired a majority stake in Hasselblad a few months after the launch in 2016 of the original Mavic Pro.